Get ready to unlock your superhero strength with the Superman exercise. This bodyweight movement is a fantastic way to build core stability, strengthen your lower back, and improve posture, all without any equipment. In this video, we demonstrate and explain 5 different variations of the Superman exercise, making it accessible to everyone, from beginners to fitness pros. The first 2 variations are best suited for beginners, where you'll raise just your upper body, activating those upper back muscles and shoulders. The last 3 variations are more challenging, where we'll focus on lifting your arms and legs simultaneously, just like Superman soaring through the sky. Who needs to perform Superman exercise? Individuals who sit for extended periods, such as office workers, drivers, or students, are particularly prone to weakened posterior chain muscles. These muscles include the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings, which are essential for maintaining proper posture and spinal health. The Superman exercise is highly beneficial for this group as it helps counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting. Prolonged sitting can lead to spine compression, where the intervertebral discs and surrounding muscles are under constant pressure. This can result in discomfort, stiffness, and even pain, particularly in the lower back. The Superman exercise can help alleviate spine compression by strengthening the muscles that support the spine. By engaging the erector spinae, glutes, and hamstrings, it promotes better spinal alignment and reduces the pressure on the intervertebral discs. However, it's important to perform the exercise correctly to avoid overloading the spine. Check out our detailed instructions on how to perform the Superman exercise. Next, Superman exercise is also useful for athletes, especially those involved in sports that require strong core stability and lower back strength, such as weightlifters, powerlifters, and CrossFitters can benefit from the Superman exercise. It helps improve performance by strengthening the muscles involved in hip stability and movement. If you have enjoyed this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel to enjoy more videos like these. To perform the first variation of this exercise, lie face down with legs straight, toes touching the floor, and arms extended overhead, palms facing down. Engage your back, core, and glutes. Slowly lift your arms and chest a few inches off the floor while maintaining a neutral neck position. Keep your gaze on the ground. Hold briefly, then lower your arms and chest with control. Repeat for the desired repetitions and sets. To perform the second variation of this exercise, lie face down with legs straight, toes on the floor, and arms extended to your sides, palms facing down. Engage your back, core, and glutes. Slowly lift your arms and chest a few inches off the floor, keeping your neck neutral and gaze downward. Hold briefly, then lower with control. Repeat for your desired repetitions and sets. To perform the third variation, lie face down on a yoga mat with your arms and legs extended and your forehead resting on the mat. Slowly lift your arms, chest, and legs toward the ceiling as high as you comfortably can. Briefly hold this position, gazing at the floor to keep your neck in a neutral position. Then lower your upper body and legs with control. Repeat for your desired repetitions and sets. For the fourth variation, lie face down with legs straight, toes touching the floor, and arms extended overhead, palms facing down. Slowly lift your arms, chest, and legs toward the ceiling as high as you comfortably can. Once in this position, pull back your arms downwards while squeezing the lower back muscles and then extend the arms straight. Gently lower your body and return to the starting position. Start by lying on your belly with your arms and legs extended. Lift your right arm and left leg 3 to 5 inches off of the floor as you inhale. Exhale to lower your limbs. Repeat the same with the opposite side, that is by lifting the left arm and right leg 3 to 5 inches off the floor. This variation helps develop coordination between the mind, arms, and leg. Repeat for your desired repetitions and sets. Finally, let's look at the muscles worked. Erector spinae. These are the muscles that run along the spine and are crucial for back extension and spinal stability. Prolonged sitting can lead to weakened erector spinae muscles, resulting in poor posture and increased risk of lower back pain. 2. Gluteus maximus. The largest muscle in the buttocks, responsible for hip extension and stabilization. Weak glutes can contribute to instability and discomfort during activities like walking and running. Number 3. Hamstrings. These muscles on the back of the thighs help with knee flexion and hip extension. Prolonged sitting can cause them to become weak and tight, affecting overall lower body strength and mobility. And finally, the upper back and shoulder muscles. Muscles like the trapezius and rear deltoids can weaken due to poor posture associated with prolonged sitting, leading to rounded shoulders and a hunched back. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any queries or questions, please let us know in the comments. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Please subscribe to our channel to see more exercise tutorials in the future.